Hello guys, this is a quick video on how to link your Steam account to your Epicgames account. So first thing you want to do is log into your Epicgames account and click on just swipe your mouse to your nickname, go to the account, and then you want to choose apps and accounts, and under this option you're gonna go accounts, and here is the Steam option. When you're gonna go on connect, it's going to say link your account to the Steam account. If you say link, you will be directed to the Steam website where you need to log into a Steam account, and once you finish that, your account will be linked to the Epic Games store. You can also link your other accounts like Twitch, GitHub, PlayStation Network, Nintendo account, or Xbox. That's it for today. Subscribe if this video helped you.